Small blast freezer running. New rewind. New installed. Semi-hermetic compressor. Modify. Modify. New rewind. New installed. Semi-hermetic compressor. And replace valve plate. Blast pressure negative 42. Blast pressure negative 42. Horsepower 30 horsepower. 30 horsepower. Semi-hermetic picture. This is the semi-hermetic compressor for blast pressure.